Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then I make motivational videos for the women who wants to connect deeper to their divine feminine, to their divine Shakti, and wants to live life from the deeper side, from the receiving side, from the softer side, not from the hustling side. So if you are the one who want to live life from the softer side and receive more by hustling less, then my channel is for you. So, what I realized, and you know, there was this girl who used to live in my where I live, and she used to dress up. Even when she would not go outside, she would take care of her feet, of her hair, of her skin, and my fragmented side, who have been never taken care by my mother, used to feel, for A, I used to get inspired, and B, I used to get jealous, and C, I used to be judgmental towards her, that what a waste of time, why she's doing all these things, it's such a waste of time. And inspired, oh, I wish I could also look like her. I wish I could also push myself to do all, convince myself, not push, to do all those things. And be uh what was that? Okay, whatever, I just forgot. Okay, so she activated something in me, which was, Priyanka, you don't need to take care of yourself or look better only when you are going out to meet someone, only when you are meeting your friends, your family, or people, or when you are going to the gym, you are going to train people. No, do it for yourself also. You don't have to wear that expensive perfume only when you are meeting someone, because then subconsciously it's like you are more important. I have to be like this, so that you feel good around me, and you accept me, and you see me as I want you to see me. So what recently I started to do, that I started to wear all the clothes I would wear when I'll go out, and I started to wear those expensive perfumes also, even when I'm in the house and going nowhere, just sitting and doing whatever. And I started to take care of myself in a way I used to only do when I used to go out or meet someone. Like, I'll take a bath with salt water to release the negativity. Not salt water. I have made this energized salt, which I rub over my skin before putting any soap or anything. And then when I'm doing it, I'm telling my inner child that I feel so protective of you. I love you so much that I do not want any negativity to touch you. Okay, it's a very small thing, but it makes a huge impact in your conscious mind, in your subconscious mind. And it's like you are telling your inner child and your subconscious mind that, I'm ready to receive love. That love is safe. I see myself. I'm not neglecting me for others. I'm putting myself first. And I'm giving myself the love I never received. So this information just came to me while I was picking the lotion to put after the bath. So then after, when I am putting the soap, I'm again telling my body, I'm cleansing you because I want you to look beautiful. I'm cleansing all the negativity, all the dust from you, because I care so much about you. Okay. And then and then water, and then I talk to the water. I'm so grateful that you are helping me to cleanse all these things. I'm so grateful that you are touching my body, my skin, to cleanse all these things. If you were not here, this wouldn't have been possible without you. Thank you so much for loving me, for giving me this cleansing ritual, for loving me like this, that you cleanse me with your water, even though your water gets dirty, you still love me, you still hold so much love for me that you do not you know you do not punish me for मतलब कि आप मुझे पनिश नहीं कर रहे हो जितने भी गंग्स एंड डस्ट उस वाटर में जा रहे हैं मेरे थ्रू, बट यू आर लविंग मी, you are so unconditional, you are loving me like a mother. I'm so grateful. And then when I'm after the bath, when I'm putting lotion, okay, I'm telling my skin that I love you so much that I want you to be uh, I want you to be nourished, I want you to shine, I want you to look more softer, be more softer. You have become so harsh. And then when I'm putting perfume, I'm telling myself that okay, this is expensive. I never used to use these perfumes when I was at home and doing nothing, but I'm doing it because my inner child, money doesn't matter when it comes to her. I'm not gonna make her feel that she do not deserve to receive this just because it is expensive. Her happiness, her looking good, her feeling fresh matters more to me than this expensive perfume. I will buy this again. Then I'm putting it and feeling grateful, loving my inner child. And then I wear my clothes. I bless my clothes also, that thank you so much for covering my body, for making me look like this. And trust me, all I've been doing this from past 5-6 days, and this has brought me that, and this has brought a huge shift in my psyche, that now I do not feel like oh my god, why did I use this, why did I wear this clothes, this is expensive, I shouldn't have used this. It's like I've stopped telling my inner child that why did you use this, क्यों ये पहन लिया, वो इतना महंगा था, क्यों उसे यूज़ कर लिया, वो इतना महंगा कपड़ा था, तुमने उसे क्यों ख़राब किया, तुम उसे रखते, मैं तुम्हारे लिए और नहीं ला सकती हूँ, मैं तुम्हें और नहीं दे सकती हूँ, तुम उसी को अच्छे से रखते, तुमने क्यों उसको पहन लिया, कि तुम्हारे विश एंड कंफर्ट मेरे लिए मैटर नहीं करता. आई हैव स्टॉप डूइंग दिस. Rather, I'm giving the signal to my subconscious mind that it is okay to wear all these clothes. When you are going out, we are gonna dress up in a different way, and now you will not. And now I do not dress up 80% for the people, because I'm giving the love to myself and I feel it inside me for my inner child. And I wanted to share with this practice with you all. Like you all can also do this small practice, and this small practice is actually not small. It brings a huge impact, because you are telling your subconscious mind and your inner child that I see you, you are deserving of receiving all these love. Money is not a restriction anymore. Because of money, I'm not gonna hold you back from feeling this way. You matter more to me than all these things. I want you to see dressed up like this. I want you to see wearing all those jewelries which you thought that which you were only allowed to wear when you were going out, or you thought that I will not have another one, so let me just save it. I'll not wear this right now because I'm not going to have another one. So all these small practices brings a huge impact in your psyche. It makes a huge impact in your psyche, because now you are telling that I do not dress up for others, I do not wear perfume to smell good for others, I do not wear makeup for others, I do not wear jewelry for others. I'm wearing all these things and doing all these things because I care about myself, because I care about my inner child and how she looks, not from the bad place, from a good, loving place. I love her so much that I want to give all these things to her. And no matter if people are seeing me, complimenting me, doesn't matter. I am loving her. I am holding her. I am doing all these things from the place of love, from the place of healing, from the place of nurturing and compassion. And all the women who do not take care of themselves, somewhere they were not taken care by their own primary caregivers, by their own mothers mostly. They were shamed, they were ignored, they were उन पे ध्यान नहीं दिया गया उतना, तो उनकी साइकी में कहीं ना कहीं शेम और गिल्ट हो गया कि मुझे अपना ध्यान नहीं रखना, मुझे खुद के ऊपर ध्यान नहीं देना, मुझे ऐसे नहीं लगना, मैं मेरे पेरेंट्स ने या फिर मेरी मदर ने मेरे ऊपर ध्यान नहीं दिया, उन्होंने मुझे उतने लव से वो सब चीज़ें नहीं दी, तो मैं अपने आप को कैसे दूँ? हु एम आई? वाई शुड आई लुक लाइक दिस? वाई शुड आई बी लाइक दिस? नो, you don't have to do that. The small step towards self-care will start to heal this pattern of shame and guilt from taking care of yourself that you have integrated in your childhood. That's what I know, that I've met most of the women who are not I could feel it. They never tell me that they were not taken care by their mother. Like mother अपने बच्चों का ध्यान कैसे रखती है? डिफरेंट टाइप के कपड़े उसको देती है, डिफरेंट टाइप के हेयर स्टाइल्स बनाती है, डिफरेंट छोटे मोटे मेकअप करती है उसका, एंड उसको अच्छा दिखाने के लिए एफर्ट पुट करती है, उसको नहलाती है, उसको कॉम्प्लीमेंट करती है, उसके लिए डिफरेंट ज्वेलरीज खरीदती है, और वो जो चीज़ें और पसंद कर रही है, उसकी क्रिएटिविटी जो भी अंदर से डिफरेंट चीज़ें पसंद कर रही हैं वो उसको ला के देती है, एंड उसको वो सारी गर्ली क्वालिटीज़ या फिर फेमिनिन क्वालिटीज़ से रोकती नहीं है कि ये मत पहनो, वैसे मत पहनो, क्रिटिसाइज़ नहीं करती या फिर ये नहीं बोलती कि नहीं खरीद सकते। वो उसकी नीड्स एंड वांट्स को प्रायोरिटाइज करती है एंड उसे प्रेज करती है, अप्रिशिएट करती है, सेलिब्रेट करती है, उसे सीन फील कराती है एंड इसे सेफ फील कराती है कि तुम ये सब कुछ पहन सकती हो, एंड आई लव यू एंड आई लव दैट यू आर वेयरिंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स। एंड आई नो ये बहुत ही छोटा साउंड करता है, बट अगर हमको ये चीज़ ना मिला हो चाइल्डहुड में तो ये डीप शेम और गिल्ट क्रिएट करता है। वी स्टार्ट टू नॉट टेक केयर ऑफ आवर सेल्व्स द वे आवर मदर डिड नॉट टू केयर ऑफ आवर सेल्फ, टेक केयर ऑफ आवर सेल्फ। We start to treat ourselves in a similar way we have been treated, and we start to feel shame and guilt when we are taking care of ourselves, putting ourselves first, wearing those jewelries, those clothes, those makeup, doing that hairstyle, because we never received that. And when we start to receive that from the other person or the other girl, you start to push them away because the shame and guilt, the pain of your mother not loving you in the same way that person is loving you, that girl is loving you, surfaces. It comes back. And if you are not ready to face that pain, if you are not ready to heal from that grief of losing, not physically but emotionally, the love of the mother, you don't want to face that grief, you don't want to release that grief, so you subconsciously start to push that person away who's trying to give you this love, who's trying to heal you like this. Because I used to attract lot of women like this, and somewhere I still attract, because my inner child used to feel familiar with this dynamic and she was trying to heal myself. My inner child was trying to heal myself by giving this love to them. But the moment I started to give this love to myself, the need to fix this similar pattern in other women minimized. That I don't need to do this with them because I was also wounded in a similar way. So yeah, if firstly what will happen, firstly होता है ना, first what will happen when you will start to do all these things like take care of yourself, all the shame and guilt and grief will surface. And the moment you will allow yourself to just feel it's not, you will also feel like you are doing something wrong because subconsciously what is going on, if I'm doing all these things, my mother is gonna abandon me, she's not gonna love me, she will lose the affection that she have for me, I will lose the affection of my mother, I'm doing something opposite of her will, of her wish, so I might lose her love. Also, subconsciously what can happen that we are like this obedient child subconsciously, that we do not want to do anything opposite to which can offend our parents. Consciously we are not aware of these patterns, but subconsciously every time you will do something which you never received in your childhood, you will start to feel shame and guilt and fear and grief, because your subconscious mind is like, what if I'm going to lose the affection, the love, the praise, what if they will not love me, because all these fear will start to surface, because it was not safe for you to receive all these things, you never received all these things, so you started to see love as not receiving all these things, being someone being like someone who they wanted you to be. So everyone associate love in a different way, and when we start to do things which we never received, it is very normal to feel shame and guilt and bad and fearful when you will start to do all these things. But the moment you will tell yourself, even the awareness, even if the awareness will come that I'm not gonna lose anyone, I'm not gonna lose any affection, any praise, any love, any care, any support, if I will take care of myself, because I'm taking care of myself, because I'm looking after myself, I'm deserving of this, I'm just giving myself the love I never received, and it is safe to receive this love even from my own self, because I'm deserving of this love. So yeah, start doing these small practices, like wake up in the morning, when you are washing your face, थोड़ा एक दो और चीज़ें उसमें ऐड कर दो, like also you also feel your skin, feel the water, extend gratitude to the face wash and the water, and give the love to your water, feel like the water is healing your skin, giving love to your skin, the face wash is cleansing the dust and impurities from your skin, like mother कैसे साफ करके हटाती है कि ओ अच्छा ये लग गया, मैं इसको पोंछ देती हूँ, लाओ. एंड व्हेन यू आर चूजिंग क्लोथ, चूज फ्रॉम द हार्ट कि आज मेरा इनर चाइल्ड क्या पहनना चाहता है, अच्छा ये पहनना है, ओके आज हम ये पहनेंगे, एंड गिव लव टू द ड्रेस, and give love to the soap, the perfume, the water, the cleanser, everything. Feel like everything is trying to heal you by their own ways. Everything is trying to give you love. And open your heart to receive love. Because if you haven't received all these things, your heart will start to feel like, okay, receiving love is not safe. Me giving love, me receiving love is not safe. I'll be hurt, I'll be abandoned, maybe I will lose them. You will start to feel all these things, but sit with it, don't run away from all these things. All these things will start to धीरे धीरे ये सारी चीज़ें ना कम हो जाएंगी, धीरे धीरे इनकी इंटेंसिटी है ना कम हो जाएगी. एंड हम मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम कहते हैं ना कि हम ओवर थिंकिंग कर रहे हैं, बट हमारी ओवर थिंकिंग नहीं होती है. आर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड इज ट्राइंग टू टेल यू समथिंग. Okay, because this is my self which I am able to see, but I have multiple splits in my own psyche. I have multiple splits in my psyche. If you understand the split in the psyche, so the psyche who splitted when I was a child, when I did not receive this kind of love, there is one psyche which is craving this love. And there is this, that's why you are also attracting those type of people who have the same wound, because your psyche is trying to heal this wound, recognize this wound. Or maybe you are trying to heal this wound in someone else unconsciously, because you want to receive this also. So you unconsciously, rather than giving this to yourself because you feel unsafe to receive this, you are giving this to someone else because receiving is unsafe. And then your this self, this splitted self who splitted from you, from your psyche, feels unsafe to, this self started to associate receiving love, care, nurture, attention, mother taking care of her, looking after her, noticing her, what she likes in clothes and what she likes in hairstyle, what she likes in jewelries, in makeup, and how she looks, praising her, loving her, making her feel seen, feeling good when she's looking like this, wanting her to look like this, start to associate all these things with danger. Okay, if my mother did not give me this and I was treated like this, then this is love. This is danger. This is only love and this is danger. If I will do all these things to myself, I'm gonna lose the affection of my mother. My mother might not like me. She might not love me. All these things are bad, shameful. All these things are not good. So this psyche will come, and this psyche wants love. Until and unless you will integrate both the splits into you, you will not be able to, मैं क्या बोल रही थी, ओवरथिंक. या सो ओवरथिंकिंग इन्हीं साइकीज से आती हैं. एंड द मोमेंट यू विल सिट and start to listen whatever is rising in you, whatever is coming up, that is your splitted self talking to you. Consciously you want to do this, and the moment you started to do this, your splitted self, abandoned self, fragmented self started to talk to you, started to rise, because before that fragmented self was dormant, and the moment you started to do something opposite, that dormant self started to rise. And just listen to all the fear that fragmented self is telling you. We say ना overthinking नहीं होता. उन सबको लिखिए कॉपी में, नोटबुक में, एंड देखिए कि आपके दिमाग में कैसे नैरेटिव्स हैं खुद को लेके. ये सारे उन साइकी को क्या डर लग रहा है, अच्छा मैंने ये किया तो ये हो जाएगा, ये ना हो जाए, ये ना हो जाए, वो ना हो जाए. वो ओवरथिंकिंग नहीं है, वो स्प्लिटेड सेल्फ का फियर है कि अगर इसने इसको इंटीग्रेट करना स्टार्ट कर दिया तो मेरा क्या होगा, मेरे डर का क्या होगा, मैं कैसे हील करूं, अगर मुझे अबैंडन कर दिया तो. सो दैट्स हाउ वी हील. व्हेन यू विल स्टार्ट टू डू दीज थिंग्स ना, डू दिस थिंग, start to take care of yourself. And every time you are feeling any overthinking is coming out, you are thinking too much, all the shame and guilt you are feeling, rather than running away from it, rather than sabotaging yourself from doing all these things, write it down and read it out loud. And उसके आगे आप ऐसा लिखिए, this is not going to happen, this is not going to happen, this is not going to happen. Trust me, धीरे धीरे ये चीज़ें ना कम हो जाएंगी. Because I've started to see my overthinking like that maybe I'm not overthinking, maybe my fragmented self is scared now, and I need to integrate my fragmented self. I need to ask her why she's so scared. I want to take care of myself, but my fragment is like, no, I don't want to take care of myself. I don't want to look like this. I don't want to be smelling good. I don't want to do this hairstyle. I don't want to use these expensive products, because if I use all these things, I'm spending too much money of my parents, and spending too much money of my parents as if I'm not being considerate. I'm not considering their pain and their struggle and how they are making money. And if I'm not being considerate, then I might lose their love. They will think that I'm too demanding, too needing. I'm not understanding their struggles. So you see, your overthinking is actually a path to your healing. And the moment I was aware, oh my god, okay, because I thought I'll be too needy, I'm not understanding their pain and sufferings. And so my this part was like, I will try to be loving to them by suppressing my needs, by being like this. And I will never receive these things, because these things are danger. These things are bad. If I will have all these things, demand all these things from them, then I'm gonna lose their love, their support, their affection. And it's okay, child needed that, but now you can heal yourself. Even the awareness which is coming through this video is gonna help you. On this note, I will complete my video here. I hope that my own realizations helped you in some way, touched you in some way. If it did, do give the thumbs up or the heart in my comment section, and tell me that what you wanna know next in my upcoming video. Till then, bye bye, take care, I love you all. थोड़ा लेट हो गया. One small thing I forgot to share, that if you guys have any idea about fragmentation or split psyche, or you read it somewhere or anything, if not, if you have, then it's good, you will understand what I'm talking about. If not, you can go and watch the videos of Teal Swan. She talks about all these things on a broader spectrum. Or you can go and type the thing that what is split psyche and fragmentation, and if I am having all these things, what split psyche was in me, is in me, or what fragment self is rising. Chat GPT will help you. It is really good. Or you can Google it on Google, or you can watch the videos of Teal Swan. She's really good with this. Okay. Bye.